Welcome to Germantown Elementary Optional School, the elementary school with the biggest heart right in the heart of Germantown. I'm so glad you stopped by. Come on in. I'd like to introduce you to our administrative staff, let you see a little bit of our campus, and find out about the fabulous programs at GES. Once inside the building, you will find 4 main hallways. Those hallways house our 2nd through 5th graders. In between those hallways, you're going to find our cafeteria, our library, our gym, and some additional classrooms for our art teachers, our CLU teachers, and our special support teachers. In addition, you're going to find our main offices for our administrators. Let me introduce them to you now.
Hi everyone, I'm Kimberly Sanders, the principal here at Germantown Elementary School, where we are a school focused on enriched academics and international studies. I've been the principal here for the last 3 years. This is going on my 4th year, and I just truly love our school so much. Our students, our parents, and our staff are truly one of a kind. Our school is unique in that we offer French studies for our students, and our students also get an opportunity to engage in learning about the cultures of many different various countries throughout the school year. So that kind of makes us unique and we stand apart from others. One of the things I really truly love about our school is our family atmosphere. When you walk into the door, you'll get that sense of feel of being at home. And that's very important for not just the students, but it's also important for parents and for teachers as well. What makes him look like a bear to you?
Every day she comes to school and she's like, this is my school, these are my kids, these are my teachers, and that attitude is just infectious and it makes you want to do your best.
We have lots of opportunities for students to engage in enriched academics, extracurricular activities. I started out teaching in 4th grade back in the Shelby County school system, and fell in love with just being with kids every day and with seeing them learn and grow.
My principal, Mrs. Sanders, is very nice, and she makes us feel welcome back to the school.
Miss Sanders is very warm and affectionate, and I know at this age children thrive in that sort of environment.
It protects us and it helps us learn and do fun things all at the same time.
Hold on, I saw a date on there. In order to do this job, you have to love children and love what you do.
She's our principal because that actually means that she's our principal and she's our pal mixed up together.
So again, I truly love our school. I think it's the best school in Shelby County schools and in the country. And I appreciate you for taking your time to learn more about our unique school and what makes us stand out from the rest.
Good morning. Hi, I'm Stacey Spinosa-Johnson, the assistant principal here at Germantown Elementary. At present, we are in my office, which is located in the Annex building. The Annex houses our pre-K special needs classroom, all kindergarten classes, and all of 1st grade. So a little bit about me. I'm the assistant principal. I've been here for 13 years at Germantown Elementary, and I have several primary responsibilities that actually have changed over the years, which is very common for an assistant principal. My primary responsibilities are transportation, special education, response to intervention and instruction, which is RTI squared, and anything else that my principal or the district asks of me. What do I love about GES? I don't even know where to begin. From our students and their families, of course, our staff and the familial spirit that really runs true and runs through this building. And I can honestly say that that's been so over time, from the time that we were Legacy Shelby County to where we are now. So again, I love GES. I love the people that I work with. I love our families and our community.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Emerson. I'm the PLC coach at Germantown Elementary. That means that I work with teachers during their planning periods to plan lessons, wonderful student activities, deliver professional development. I'm also the Title I coordinator for the school, which means that I handle the Title I funding from the federal government to purchase supplies for students and resources for the school building. My favorite thing about Germantown Elementary is our family atmosphere and our sense of community. And at Germantown, we expect the best.
Greetings, GES. It is so wonderful to be with you here today. I am Crystal Travis, and I am the Instructional Facilitator here at Germantown Elementary School. So what is an Instructional Facilitator? I work very closely with all of the teachers, K through 5th grade teachers here at Germantown, especially serving in the math department. Teachers and I work together to plan lessons for the students. We work on instructional strategies, and we also talk about the data and how we expect our students here at Germantown to excel. As I have been serving as an educator for 11 years, I have been an administrator for 4 years, but this is my first year here at Germantown Elementary School. What I love best about Germantown is the positive culture and collaboration that the students and the teachers share with one another. It is so awesome to be an educator working at Germantown Elementary School.
Hi, my name is Patricia Lockhart. I'm the Library Media Specialist and the Tech Support here at Germantown Elementary School. Part of my duties as the librarian is to make sure that the students have quality ebooks so that learning and literacy never stops. And currently, we're actually publishing our very own books. So all of the students in 1st through 5th grade will be authors by the end of the school year. Part of my tech support duties include helping the parents to navigate teams as well as troubleshooting issues that students and parents may have with their devices.
Germantown Elementary School became an optional school in 2014. We are a school within a school design, which means we have part optional classrooms for our 1st through 5th graders and traditional classrooms for our K through 5. My name is Meredith Buchanan, and I'm the optional coordinator at Germantown Elementary. I oversee the optional program, entry into our optional classrooms, which is via an application and meeting 4 criteria. In addition, I oversee our International Studies program. All of our students in each grade level study a country each year.
Popular holidays and festivals that take place in Japan.
Sayonara means goodbye. Sugoi means wow.
We learn about Japan as if we were going to live there.
Coming to Germantown Elementary is going to be one of the best cultural experiences your child will be able to have.
Okay, what was the job of the rubber band and the string?
International Studies here at Germantown Elementary School is the study of different countries.
If they start in kindergarten and go all the way through 5th grade, they will have studied 6 countries in addition to 6 more. So they will have looked at 12 different countries around the world.
Well, so in 3rd grade, we learned about Australia. We mostly learned about their culture, government, some myths they have, and a lot of food they eat.
Their culture in Egypt seems very interesting, like the language, what they wear, and how hot it is and how they protect themselves from it.
What does this look like? A
bowl! Each week they have a lesson. It's a part of their social studies. We broke it down into 3 concepts: the geography of the country, the culture of the country, the government of their country.
I think it's very educational for all grades, really, and we can learn about different places we've never been in our lives.
I think it'll be really, really fun if I go see these cultures and meet new friends, and if I learn more language about them, and then I'll know what to say in that language, even if they don't know English.
Well, so part of our program is we do have French as part of their curriculum. So by the time they leave 5th grade, they do have some conversational French they'll be able to use.
Je m'appelle Daniel. Merci means thank you.
For learning a new language, the younger ones are very excited. They remember and pick up very, very quickly.
El gato.
I think think it's very important to learn about these things at my age because when you get older, you really want to travel. Then you can really communicate with people.
I love the International Studies program here. I think it's important, especially in Memphian, to learn we are part of a world. It's not just our town, not our state, not our country.
It just gives me like more knowledge, and it just provides more of a multicultural bubble for me.
We are so glad that you visited Germantown Elementary today. We hope to see you soon.
Expect the best.
Expect the best. Expect the best.
Expect the best.
Expect the best.
Expect the best at GES.